Oh, but they've got almonds. You see, so we've got, it's healthy. We've got,
it's healthy. It's healthy.
Yeah, it's got fruit and
It's
nuts.
healthy.
That's what we're having, all right?
Today I'm heading up to the Central Coast, an hour and a half north of Sydney, a place called West Gosford. There's a couple of things in life that make me super happy. Number one is jaffles. Number two is chocolate. Today we're going to tick them both off. Let's go. My first stop today is picking up the very famous Auntie Jude. She's taken me to a couple of the Central Coast local food icons, the first of which being the Wandering Brew food truck for some jaffles. The Wandering Brew stocks a whole range of schmoxies, gourmet pies from the Central Coast. But today, it's not about the pies, it is, however, about the jaffles. That's delicious. Well, lost a bit of cheese, but it's tasty.
Every time I get ahead.
What do you reckon, Auntie Jude?
I think that was absolutely yummy.
I think it's quite possibly one of the best jaffles I've ever had.
I think you could be right.
Oh, yum.
It took me that many years.
Anyway, I believe there's a chocolate factory not far away. Are we going there as well?
I think it sounds like a plan.
I think that it'd be rude not to.
I agree.
Just 1 minute around the corner was the Chocolate Factory Gosford, so it's time to buy a few takeaways for loved ones and to have a cheeky little dessert as well.
All right, Auntie Jude, let's go and have some chocolate.
Here we go. Yeah.
So tell me,
Let's do it.
Tell me what you know about this place. It's been around for forever, yeah?
It's been here for years and I've never been here.
Really?
My friends have been here, but I've never been here, so you're leading me astray.
Let's go and give it a shot. So,
Yeah.
what are we going to have?
We're going to have these Banafee waffles because you see they've got fresh banana.
Yep.
And they've got don't worry about the rich toffee syrup and don't worry about the topping with the cinnamon sugar and the but they've got almonds. You see, so we've got it's healthy. We've got
It's healthy. It's healthy.
Yeah, it's got fruit and
It's
nuts.
healthy.
That's what we're having. It's healthy. We've got
It's healthy. It's healthy.
Yeah, it's got fruit and
It's
nuts.
healthy.
That's what we're having.
Well, Auntie Jude, how was that?
Oh, that was absolutely awesome. It seriously was.
I'll tell you what, we've got our little bag of goodies that we're taking home as well. And I think I need to find a tree to sleep under for a couple of hours in the sunshine.
Oh, it sounds wonderful.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I really appreciate. As you know, it's a new channel and we're growing, but foodie destinations like this is what it's all about. So subscribe, comment in the sections below. Give me some more ideas on where to go. And Auntie Jude and I might go and visit them.
Sounds like a plan.